Welcome back, everyone. This is Resourceful Marcus, and I'm going to show you how I take apart a wood pallet in this video. This is how I take apart a wood pallet. I'm going to show you how I do it. Pretty easy. Clean up around this fucking property, pardon my language. Sorry about the swearing. Anyways, all about ripping this wood pallet apart. Takes a bit of effort, but it can be done. How I take them apart. Yeah, there's some effort that goes into this. Tilt this camera down more. I can. Down more. So you can see what I'm actually doing here. My mini sledgehammer and my crowbar. End up damaging some of this wood a little bit. Try not to damage much of it best I can. These ones have been sitting for a while, so they're kind of stubborn to come apart. Because I'm doing a video, that's probably another reason why it's being stubborn. And I'm busting this board. And that ended up coming apart for me. Very temperamental. There is some effort that has to go into this part of getting wood. Because these ones have been sitting for a while, not as easy to come apart. Trying to take it apart so I don't damage it. Actually able to see what I'm doing. Maybe I should move this around here a little bit. Very temperamental right now. Salvage this piece. it goes sometimes. Very aggravating. Want to bust the wood, but I'm going to end up breaking this wood just to try to get it off. Sometimes you got to really work hard for it. That's how it is. Wheels just don't want to come out. Oh, those ones let go. Alright, now I'm going to try it this end down here. See what I can do. It's busting a bit. Oh wow, I should still be able to use this piece of wood. Temperamental. Yep, there she goes. There she be. I'm very stubborn at the moment. Yep. Much for that piece. Piece is pretty much toast. Making me look like a fool right now. Maybe I can salvage part of it, I guess. I'll try. You can see there's some effort that has to go into it. Sometimes quite a bit of effort. I think I can still salvage that piece. Got some good area in here, I can cut it out. I'll do one more, I'll show you one more how I take another board off. These ones have been sitting for a while, so they're kind of stubborn to come apart. Easier, and yeah, there's some parts that are kind of, what are you gonna do? And then these, what I like to do is cut these nails off there with the grinder. Take one more off. I suggest wearing steel toe boots when you're doing this. I'm being stupid right now, I'm not doing it. I should be. Yeah, this one's real, being a real workout today. Being stubborn. We'll get her. Just gotta keep plugging away. We'll get her. A lot of work. And you can see the wood is splitting a bit. Kind of my fault, I let these ones sit too long. Salvage as much of it as I can this board. Being stubborn because I'm doing this video. I can get these these off fairly easy. Being fairly easy today. That's how it can be, people. True life struggles, eh? That's how it can be. Just gotta keep plugging away. Problem is to get in here into that board. Very stubborn today. And I don't have my 100% full strength as I've been feeling under the weather. All this crappy shit that's going around, some kind of like bronchitis, pneumonia, everybody hacking and sneezing in this country right now. There's a cooties in the air. Shitty bug in the air. Spark off that. And the crowbar is being stubborn right now. That's what we're seeing right there. Splitting of the wood. Should still be able to salvage these pieces, I hope. Here we are. Yeah. Just a second, checking to see how much time I got on this video. Hopefully I'm not boring you. Again, this is a resourceful Marcus, and I'm just showing how I take apart wood pallets. That's what I use. These ones are being a true life struggle today. And there's those nails that I'm going to cut off with a grinder. I'm going to take my grinder and I'm going to cut these nails right off. Set up my grinder here. Everybody should have one of these, a mini grinder. Can't go wrong having a mini grinder. Just gotta get this flapper wheel off here. I gotta put a cutting disc on and cut these nails off. Just gonna cut the nails off. On the cutting disc mount, and we'll have some sparks, some sparky sparks. Forgive me if the video sound is not that great because I'm doing this outside and it is a little breezy today. Nope, I got this on the wrong way. The other way. Go this way like this so that the disc ain't flopping all around. Again, I'm sorry if you're hearing the wind because it is breezy today. There's a bit of wind. Anyways, we're going to show how we cut the nails off. Okay. Cutting the nails off. Sparks will fly. I do is I just take a punch and knock the nails out, the final part of the nail out. And then that board's good to use. I will cut what's good out of that board and the rest just scrap it. That's another piece that's ready. See what we got here to cut off here, nails. There we go. Another one that's good to go. I think I'll take one more off. What the heck, I'll show you how I take one more off, alright? Might as well. This one's going to be pretty easy from the looks of it. That's nice. Beautiful. Alright. Take these nails off. You gotta watch. You don't want to step on any nails. It wouldn't be good. You don't want to put a nail in your foot. That ain't fun at all. Very not fun. There's a little bit of lumber that's ready. Take the rest of this apart another day. So anyways, hope you get the how the wood pallet, I take them apart anyways. That's how I do it. Always wear safety glasses. I suggest wearing a pair of steel toe boots, which I should have been doing. Alright, so I thank everybody for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you want. This is Resourceful Marcus signing off for now. I will see you next time.